Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a collagen wrapping mask. First, ensure your skin is perfectly clean and dry. Use your favorite gentle cleanser, then pat your face completely dry with a clean towel. Any makeup, dirt, or oil can prevent the mask from adhering properly and delivering its benefits. Now, carefully open the mask packaging, being mindful not to tear the mask itself. Once your skin is prepped, carefully unfold the collagen mask. Gently place it onto your face, aligning the cutouts for your eyes, nose, and mouth. Take your time to position it correctly for maximum coverage. Then, use your fingertips to gently smooth out any air bubbles or wrinkles, ensuring the mask makes full contact with your skin. Press it down firmly, especially around the edges. Now that the mask is applied, relax and let it work its magic. Leave the mask on for the recommended 15 to 20 minutes. This allows your skin ample time to absorb the beneficial collagen and other ingredients. Try to avoid talking or making excessive facial movements during this period. Once the time is up, gently peel the mask off, starting from the edges and working your way inward. After removing the mask, you'll likely notice some serum remaining on your skin. Do not rinse it off. Instead, gently massage the excess serum into your face and neck using upward motions until it's fully absorbed. This helps lock in the hydration and nutrients. Afterward, you can continue with your regular skincare routine, applying your moisturizer or other treatments. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.